More of Cleo's birthday pancakes.
Oops. Is this our turn?
It is.
There are 3 cars. Like over. River.
Yeah, 3/4 mile down to Conglomerate Falls. 69.3 miles per gallon. 9.4 of that was EV miles. 1.6 was regen.
How's that Norm, your brother of Norm doing? Hi,
This high volume. Like I want to turn the volume down a little. Is this the pathway? Not the... OMG! It's going to be exhausting! Like the Takwame nun stairs. Maybe the couple is resting after these stairs. That's why they put bench there. There's trail there. We need it! Amazing! This is Conglomerate Falls. It's like split falls or twin falls. 2 falls. It's huge but looks small on my video. It's different, it's like twin falls.
Yeah. It's called the Greater Conglomerate Falls because the rock is a conglomerate of different rocks.
Yeah, I was curious. Snacks for the curious.
I'm begging you to be kind, be kind, be kind. I know that everyone's got mountains that they're climbing on. Sometimes we throw in ropes, but mostly we just throw in stones. You know the world never changed for better when hate carries on. So stop throwing love away just to say that you're not wrong. What do you really need to let go? To see that someone really, 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 really needs your love. I'm begging you to be kind. I'm begging you to be kind, be kind, be kind. I'm begging you to be kind. I'm begging you to be kind, be kind, be kind. Oh, you gotta see yourself in the face of your brother. See your sister as you. Let's call in us and lay our lives down for one another and leave our pride for the truth. We gotta be the change. We gotta be the change. I'm begging you to be kind, be kind, be kind. Oh, I'm begging you to be kind, be kind.
The color is like the Conglomerate Falls, like root beer falls. What's that sound name? Just landed.
Look at those roots.
I'm begging you to be kind, be kind, be kind. I'm begging you to be kind. I'm begging you to be kind.
So that'll get the heart going.
Worth hiking, worth walking and hiking, going back. And I think we got good pictures.
Consequences go unnoticed.
Beautiful.
The weight that's on your shoulders pulls down, just like a tree.
Trailer. There's just few more, little bit elevated steps. We're walking in the beautiful woods. In case you're a little bit exhausted.
Is it worth carrying the stuff down, the equipment?
Yeah,
For
yeah.
the pictures?
Nice.
Is it nice?
Yeah. That's all we got drone.
I love drone pictures. Because you get to see everything. Oh, you'll see on YouTube. Yeah.
Like this, the weather is like this also. I
Yeah.
like to use that shoes for walking because that is really soft.
What, your red shoes?
No, my tie-dyed
Right. Yeah, red.
shoes. It was cotton tie-dyed blue,
3 minutes to Potawatomi.
green.
And then we can see if it's got easier hike or harder hike. It's actually Potawatomi and Gorge Falls, but it says Gorge Falls is still closed.